It's the plumber. It's the plumber. Oh yeah, it's the plumber. They call me Mr. Plumber. I just get a phone call. Somebody down by the neighborhood said they get a leak in the pipe and the water fix. They let me cut my tools and me go over. Me reach over now. This a big house. Me I take a while to go in this house. Look at this house. Proper house from top to bottom. Let me knock on the door.
Hello, hello.
That is the plumber. Is the plumber.
Hello, oh, it's the plumber. Look how long I called for you and now you come. I get a leak in my sink and I want you to fix it.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. Wait, so which one? How you want me come in? You want to come through the front door or use the back?
Oh, boy, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Which door good for you? You want to come in?
Well, me gonna come in the front door now, and later I gonna walk through back and come in the back. But you know, me gonna fix up your leak. Me come with me tool to plug up the gap. Oh yeah.
Boy, you joking with me. Come look the hole. This is the hole. It's locked how it leaking. This is the chicken when you bend down there and look it properly. You come with the light because you got to see it right.
Yes, John. You know I got all my tools. Me never short of tools and plumb on my name. Let me go in my sock and pull out this plug because this stick look like a big old leak. So you know me got to get a big long pipe here for close up the leak.
Oh boy, good. Oh, I want you to push it in tight because when you're done, I don't want any problems. I want to be satisfied. You know I pay me money, so my job was done right.
Yes, well, you know, I can do it right because me is the man with the pipe, is the plumber. Is the plumber.